Hello, hi everyone. Now I would like to introduce you how to draw a perfect circle, line, and rectangle. Okay, let's go. We say it's here, calligraphy, and then we text monolines in here. Here, yes, and then we put in. Okay, you see, perfect because that monoline is you can you don't care about your hands more here, and the line is still the same stock. See, the same stock. It's not like this one. See, and now the line is not the same stock, so it's difficult to do. It's a little like this. Move back. Okay, and then how to draw a line. Normally you try to draw this. It's not straight, so you keep time here and then see here. You can move. Okay, in the wedge. It's called. Don't need to care here. This here, okay. And my rectangle. Let's move here. This here. Touch one. Again. Okay. But you can still do the shape. Here, like this. Okay. Horizontal. Fit some vertical or whatever you want. Let's mix this and then we turn here and fit in this. And about the triangle, you can draw like the same. See, okay, if you have any comments, just comment below. I'm gonna show you how more what you want to do, what you want to know more about it. Okay, please subscribe for more video. Thank you.